Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So today's in this video, I am going to talk about a very common problem which is faced by every English learner. And problem is that I can read English, I can write English, I can understand English, but I cannot speak in English. What is the reason behind this? That you can read, you can write, you can understand, but you are not able to speak. What is the reason behind this? Actually, I am going to talk about myself in my initial day from our schooling time, what we have done. Our all subject, if you are English medium student, then your all subject in English. Even you are reading English, you are writing English, even your teacher also speak in English. But you are not able to speak. And if you are a Hindi medium student, then you also have read English, write English, read many stories, many poems in English, and you can understood. Actually, the reason is only one. We are not try to speak. We are not try to speak in English. Let me give an example. If you want to drive a car or any vehicles, actually, if you are want to drive a bike, then only you are thinking, I wish I could drive this bike. I wish I could drive this car. And you are watching more videos related to how to drive the car, what equipment to require, and what is the rule of driving car. Only you are searching and watching videos and thinking, I wish I could drive a car. And going you are not going to drive, you are not going in your car. Then how it could be possible? You can drive this car, you can drive this vehicle. If you want to learn how to drive, then you have to go in your car. So in this way, about your language, if you are learning, if you want to learn, then you have to speak, in English. Yeah, if you know how to read, you know what is the meaning of the particular sentence, and you understand English, what is written here, but you are not try to speak, then how it could be possible that you can speak in English? Actually, if you want to do anything, then you have to do yourself. You have to give your output, you have to open your mouth, then anything will be possible. Okay, so my friend, in my initial day when I started, that time I was thinking that I can understand, I can read English, I can understand English, I know a lot of words, I know how to make sentences, I know how to translate Hindi to English. But when I was trying to speak, that time what had happened with me, I don't know why I'm not able to speak. Then I was thinking again and again, why I'm not able to speak. Then and that time I was searching more videos on YouTube. How can we become a fluent speaker? Like this video, I was searching, and after watching some video, I realized that if I want to speak, then I have to open my mouth. Then I started speaking with little sentences, with simple words. And I realized, after 1 week, I realized that yes, at least I can speak a little bit English. And I keep on my this work, continue. And after 1 month, I able to speak something, like my introduction, simple sentences, and my daily routine. I able to speak. And now I'm continue daily. I try to speak 30 or 20 minutes to any persons, with any persons on Skype app. You know about Skype app? Skype app is a very helpful app that provides you co-learners. You can speak with co-learners on this app. Okay, if you want, then go and download from Play Store and try to speak with co-learners. Okay, so I'm talking about this problem, that why you are not able to speak English. Even you know how to translate, you understand, you read, you can read book, you can write English, but why you are not able to speak? So this is your problem, and this was my problem also. So the solution of this problem is only one. If you want to learn this language, if you want to speak, actually, if you want to speak this language, then you have to open your mouth, you have to give your output. Actually, you have a plus point, that you can understand, you can write, you can read. Then I would like to say you that please open your mouth, please give your output if you want to speak this language. Okay, if you do not want to speak, if you do not want to open your mouth, then it will not be possible that you can become speaker. Okay, no matter how much word meaning you know, no matter you can speak, no matter you can read, you can write, you can understand, but if you want to speak, then you have to open your mouth. So I request to you, if you want to speak, then please start speaking today from onwards, with simple sentences, with tenses. Firstly, you should start with tenses, means present tense, past tense, future tense, like what are you doing, what are you thinking, what are you playing, where does he go, what is your name, like this type of sentences try to use in your daily life. And you see that you will be able to speak, and you are increasing your confidence. Okay, don't think about mistake, because making mistake is a learning process. Okay, don't be more thinker, don't think about mistakes. We are learning, we will learn with our mistakes. Everybody make mistake, even fluent speakers are also makes mistake. So we can make mistake, don't worry about that, and don't think about what people says. If you have worry about this type, that if people look at me while speaking English, they laugh at me, then you start speaking alone. Go in your room and start speaking with shadow practice, with mirror practice. What is mirror practice? You know, if you don't know, let me tell you. Mirror practice is a practice. In this practice, you sit in front of mirror and try to speak whatever comes in your mind. Try to speak with yourself. This is mirror technique. And in mirror technique, you can see yourself, how you are speaking, what is your body language. And in this technique, you are speaking with yourself. Nobody can see you, nobody can judge you. And if you want to practice with shadow practice, then follow any person. What person you want, you can follow, and try to speak like that, like how she and he is making sentences, how she is speaking, how he is speaking. Follow that person. That is shadow practice. Okay, so this is all about in this video. If you want to speak, then you have to open your mouth, you have to give your output.